Brother, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Brother, what should the wife do if the husband commits a major sin like adultery, drinks alcohol, etc.?
If the husband is involved in major sins like adultery, having intoxication, having alcohol, she should be a good muhsana. That's the fortress against the devil, and prevent the husband from continuing with that major sin. So she should be instrumental in trying to stop the husband from continuing the adultery or continuing doing the major sin like having alcohol. So she should try a level best and first try and find out that why did he get involved in this major sin of drinking alcohol? Does he have bad company? You should see to it that you request him to change his company, change his friends, and see to it that he comes out of this evil sin. Similarly, if the husband is involved in adultery, you try and find out what is the reason that he got involved. Again, can be bad company, can be involvement in certain activities. So it's the duty of the wife to see to it that she becomes his mosana, his fortress against the devil, and try the level best to try and get the husband out of the sin. If the situation continues, so then depending how well the wife is able to convince the husband, then she has to take a decision that what is it a point of no return. Then she takes the decision that should she continue with the husband who she has tried to get him out of the sin. Maybe you've tried for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Or you say, okay, fine, that the other aspects of the husband is really very good. He's very good, everything else is fine. Only this one point only has alcohol. Everything else is excellent and very good, fine, I don't mind compromising. Yet you continue trying to see to it that he comes out of alcohol. So that's the decision that is taken by the wife. And how well is she able to convince the husband to come out. But she should never give up and try and continue till the last moment till she convinces him. Hope that answers the question.